Hello everyone! Start off by taking a white sheet of paper as well as a blue sheet of paper, lay them one on top of the other, and then make multiple slits at the bottom. Then using any object such as a pencil, curl the bottom, and then add a boat on top as well as a sun in the corner using the paper as such. Then add a cute little smiley face for the sun. For our next craft, take a ball of clay and stretch it out in your hand as such, and then make a stick out of clay. Do this with blue clay and white clay and stick it on a shape of a tie. Then add clay at the top to make the top of the tie. You may also add other decorations. For our next craft, take a white sheet of paper and then fold it out and cut it out in the shape of an egg. Then draw the shape of a cracked eggshell and then cut it out accordingly. Then take a yellow sheet of paper and make a chick out of it and then add a stick at the bottom. Stick the eggshell on it and there you have it. For our next craft, take a green sheet of paper and then take a semi-ovular structure and then stick it on top. Then take it in red as well as white. Add a head as well as curvy sides to it and then add a belly. Don't forget to add a tail. For our next craft, trace out the shape of your hand while folding in your pointer finger as such. You should get the shape of a barking dog. Then add ears to the top. Add the eyes and then the teeth, and don't forget to color the tip of the hand in black to signify the nose. Once you are done drawing all the teeth, you may also draw a tongue. After this, you can start coloring in your dog, and you may also add a little jewel marks at the bottom. Then you may color the ears in pink, and we have chosen to color the rest of the head in grey. Color the tongue in red. For our next craft, take a black sheet of paper and then fold it over. Make a slit in one of the sides and then fold over the edges of the slit. Add a white sheet in between the black paper. Cut out a red sheet of paper in the shape of a bow and then stick it on your black and white sheet of paper and add buttons to it. For our next craft, start off by drawing two circles that will make the eyes of the drawing that we are going to make. Add the inner sides of the eyes as well, and then add the rest of the body. Make sure that you do this on a folded sheet of paper. Then proceed to add the legs. Now, open the sheet of paper and continue your drawing. We will be drawing the rest of the mouth. Draw a rectangular shape and then color the rest of the body in green and draw the inside of the mouth in red. Then you may add a tongue as well using a strip of paper. Attach a thread to the tongue and let the fly pass through and open and close. For our next craft, start off by cutting out wings and stick it on a peanut shell. Add eyes and teeth and etc. Next, take a green sheet of paper, fold it over multiple times to make the shape of a fan until you make a circle. Then take a straw and then cut it up. Using the bendable portion of the straw, connect it to make a bicycle. Then take some clay and add it as the seat. For our next craft, take multiple shades of paper in rainbow colors and then fold it together and staple it. Add clouds on either end. Then add rain. For our next craft, take a green sheet of paper and then cut it up into the shape of a leaf. Now fold the leaf over multiple number of times until you get a fan-like shape, but in a diagonal version. Then take a sheet of tissue paper and then roll it up as such. Using glue, stick it together, this rolled sheet of paper. And color one of the edges in black and add spots all over the body. We are making a worm on a leaf. Next, take some green paper and roll it into a stick. Add the worm to the stick and then attach this entire thing onto the leaf you initially made. For our next craft, start off by taking a pink sheet of paper as well as a blue one and then a circular sheet of black paper. Add some glue on one of the sides of the black paper, then take a yellow paper and then make multiple cuts in it. Stick each of these cuts all around the black sheet of paper to make it look like flower petals. Repeat this process and make multiple flowers out of it. Then add stems and attach it to the pink sheet of paper, which will make the pot. For our next craft, take a black sheet of paper, add some glue in the center and add a stick to it. Stick some legs. Take another black sheet of paper and add multiple eyes to it. Then stick them all together and you will have a spider. Thank you for watching.